Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we have this problem and we are going to solve it. So to start, we have to say that this is a fourth root, so we're going to say that this one here has to be greater than or equals 0, as well as this one here, okay, greater than or equals 0. So from here we're going to have 77 plus x greater than or equals 0, and then 20 minus x greater than or equals 0. From here we're going to have x greater than or equals 77, and we have here minus x greater than or equals to minus negative 20. So we have negative here multiplied by negative 1. We change the direction of this sign now. Okay, so we're gonna have here 20. Okay, so representing it, we will have something like this. We'll have here, it's a close here, minus 77. Okay, and here we're gonna have 20. So this goes to, this is minus infinity plus infinity, so we will have this here, and this one will come here. Sorry, this one will come then here, right? So we will have, sorry, so we will have something like this. Okay, so they're going to be solutions only in this interval here. So we're gonna have then minus 77 less than x and x less than 20. So this is what we have to consider our solutions as being in this. So now we can solve our problem, guys. So I'm going to say that a is going to be equals to well, square root of 20 minus x, and b is going to be equals to fourth roots here, 77 plus x. Okay, so now if I say this, I'm calling this a, I'm calling this b, so I mean that I have a plus b is equal to 5. Okay, and now I'm gonna, if I take all both sides here to the power of 4, I'm gonna have here that a to the 4 is going to be equals to 20. Sorry, a to the 4 is going to be 20 minus x, and b to the 4 is going to be 77 plus x. So we're gonna have then a to the 4 plus b to the 4 is going to be, I'm adding side by side. This time this plus this is 97, and this plus this is 0. Okay, so we have a to the 4 plus b to the 4 equals 97. So this 9 is nothing cool here, right? It's like something else. So 97. So now we have a system which is a plus b equals 5, and a to the 4 plus b to the 4 equals 97. So now we're gonna work on this, okay, to find terms like simplify this to have something like a plus b. Okay, so we're gonna have then that a to the 4 plus b to the 4 is equal 97. So here we're gonna have then well, this is a square plus b squared to the power of 2, it is equal 97. So if we want to complete this square, we have to take this square plus 2 times the first term here, which is a squared, times the second one, which is this b squared, and plus this one, b squared to the power of 2, and minus this one, a squared, b squared, and then this is 97. So now this is a perfect square, right? This one here is a perfect square, which is a squared plus b squared all square minus this, 2a squared b squared, and then this is 97. So now here this is a perfect square again, so this is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, and we don't have this, so minus 2ab, right? This is all square minus 2a squared b squared, and then this is 97. So now this is a perfect square, which is a plus b, and then this is square, right, minus 2ab, right, and here we have square minus 2a square b square, and then this is equal to 97. So guys, we know that a plus b here we have in our problem, a plus b is 5. So now we can replace the value of a plus b, right? So we're gonna have here 5 square is 25 minus 2ab square, okay, minus 2a square b square minus 97, and then this is going to be 0. So guys, let's say that AB is equal D. Let's make this substitution. So we're going to have here 25 minus D equals square minus 2D square minus 97, and then this is 0. Well, taking this power here, we're going to have 6 to 5 minus this is 2D actually, because we have 2AB here. So this is going to be 2 times 2, 4 times 25 is 100D plus 4D square minus 2D square, and minus 97 equals 0. And then we have 2D square minus 100D, right, and plus here this one minus 97, it's gonna be 5 to 8, right, and then this is equals to 0. So I'm gonna divide both sides by 2. So I'm gonna have here d square minus this is gonna be 50d, and plus this is gonna be 264, and then this is equal to 0. So this is a second degree equation, guys. It's a quadratic equation. So I'm going to say, well, I'm going to just work on this, okay, completing the square. So I'm going to have d minus the half of 50 is 25, okay. So this is going to be square, and what is the square of this? Minus 6 to 5 plus 264 equals 0. So then I have d minus 25 square is going to be equals this minus this is it's going to be minus 361, which is coming to the right side. It's going to be 361 positive. So now I have that this is a perfect square as well. This is d minus 25 square is going to be 2 equals to so this is actually 19 square. So from here, guys, we have that d minus 25 is going to be equals plus or minus, taking the square root in both sides, we're going to have 19. So guys, from here we have d minus 25 equals 19, and d minus 25 is equals to minus 19. So we have then that d is going to be equals to this is going to be here, this is 44, and then we have d equals 25 minus 19, d equals to 6. Okay, so we have the value of d, which is ab. So now we have then that a times b is equal to d, which is equal to 6 in our first case. So we have two cases. So we have then first case, we have a plus, sorry, I'm putting x here. This is we have a plus b is going to be equals to 5, and ab is going to be equal to 6, or our second case, a plus b is going to be 5 and ab is going to be equals to 44. Okay, guys, so let's solve our first case here. So solving this system, guys, I'm going to multiply here by minus a. So I'm going to have here negative a minus negative ab equals negative 5a, and then we have here ab equals 6. So side by side adding, we have 0 minus a square equals minus 5a plus 6. So now we have then a square minus 5a plus 6 equals 0. Because this one goes to the right side, it's going to be positive. So this is pretty much simple, guys. From here, this is common. Now we have that we're going to have then a square. If you want to solve this, we're going to say a square minus what? Minus 2a minus 3a plus 6 equals 0. This and this and this and this, we have a minus 2, which multiplies 3 here, a minus 2 equals 0. The factor now is a minus 2, and then we have a minus 3 equals 0. So a minus 2 is equal to 0, and a minus 3 is equal to 0. So we have then a is equal to 2 and a is equal to 3. So a1 is 2, a2 is 3. Okay, so given that, we can find the value of b, because we know that ab is equal to 6. So a1 b1 is 6, and then if a1 is 2, so b2 6, and then b1 is going to be 3. So, and then the same way we're going to have a2 b2 equals 6, a2 is 3, b2 is 6, so we're going to have b2 is equals to 2. So guys, so these are the solutions for our for the system of the equation using solving the first case. Okay guys, so now we can find the value of x, right? Because we know that from the beginning here that we made a substitution. A is equal to this and b is equal to this. You can use either this one or this one, you're going to get to the same answer. So we're going to use the value of a. Okay, I said a is equal to 4th root of 20 minus x. So since a1 is 2, so I'm going to have 2 equals to the 4th root of 20 minus x. Taking both sides to the power of 4, I'm going to have 2 to the 4 equals I'm going to have here 2 to the 4 equals 20 minus x. So this is 16 minus 20 equals minus x. I'm going to have minus 4 equals minus x, and then I have that x is equal to x1 is equal to 4. Okay, so I'm going to use again the value of a, okay, to find in this case this value of a, which is 3. So I'm going to have 3 equals to 4th root of 20 minus x, and then taking both sides to the power of 4, we're going to have 3 to the 4 equals to the 4, and then this is equals to 20 minus x. So I'm going to have here 81, right? I'm going to have here 81 minus 20 equals minus x, and then I'm going to have here 61 equals minus x, and then x2 is going to be equals minus 61. Okay, so this is x1 and x2, real solutions. Cool. And then let's look at the second the second case is this one. Okay, so guys, how do we actually solve this? Okay, well, a plus b is equal to 5, ab is equal to 44. We're gonna say following the same steps. We just going to change, if you can see, the value of 6 4 to 20 to 40 44, right? So we're gonna have that a square here, a square minus 5a plus 44 is going to be 0. So solving this, guys, we're gonna have then that a is gonna be equal minus b, it's gonna be 5 plus or minus square root of b squared is 25 minus 4 times 44, and then this is divided by 2 times a is 1 here, so, and then a is going to be equal to 5 plus or minus, this is going to be square root of negative 151 divided by 2, so this is going to be 5 plus or minus 151 I divided by 2. Okay guys, so from then we're going to have that the value of b, then we have that a plus b is equal to 5, and if I want to find the value of b here, in case from here, guys, sorry, we're gonna have a3 is gonna be then what? 5 plus square root of 151i divided by 2, and a4 is 5 minus square root of 151i divided by 2. Okay, so solving this, guys, replacing the value of a3 and a4 in this equation here, we're gonna have that b3 actually is going to be 5. We're just gonna change the sign, all right? 151 I divided by 2, and b4 is gonna be 5 plus 151 divided by 2. So these are the values of b. Okay, so now as we found we solved the second case, now let's solve for the let's solve and find the value, another values of x, right? So I'm gonna keep using the values of a. You can use the values of b. As I already say, you're gonna get the same answers. So my a, then a3, right? The values of a, so we have a is equal to 5 plus or minus, sorry, square root of 151, so 151i, and divided by 2. Okay, so I have that a is equal to what? A is square root, no, sorry, fourth root of 20 minus x, which is going to be equal to 5 plus or minus square root of 151i divided by 2. So taking this both sides to the power of 4, I'm going to have 20 minus x, right? We will do this here, okay, the power of 4. So this is going to be 5 plus or minus square root of 151i divided by 2 to the power of 4. So we're going to have then, well, you can see if I send this x to that side, this and this one to this side, we're going to have x equals to 20, okay, minus 5 plus or minus square root of 151i divided by 2 to the power of 4. So I'm going to have here that my x3 here, so we're going to have x3 is going to be equals to 20 minus 5 plus square root of 151i divided by 2 to the power of 4. This is 4, not 2. Okay, and our x4 is going to be equals to 20 minus 5 minus square root of 151 divided by 2, and this is to the power of 4. Okay, so these are the imaginary solutions for our problem. Okay, guys, you can simplify this to find like easy numbers. You're probably gonna find something like x is going to be this one here. X is going to be, you can write this as minus 57 divided by 2 plus or minus 315 I, which multiplies 151 divided by 2. The same thing, you can write this way. So we know, so to check for our real solutions, okay, we can do this only with the first value of of x, which is 4, right? Replacing here in our equation, guys, we will have fourth root of 77 plus 4 plus fourth root of 20 minus 4, and this is 5. So we will have here 4, and this would be what? This would be 81 plus 4, this would be 16 equals 5. Fourth root of 81 is, would be what? 4, 3 to the 4 plus 4, 2 to the 4 equals 5. So this goes with this, we're going to have 3, we're going to have 2, and this is 5. So we're going to have 5 equals to 5. So our solutions are these ones, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and drop a comment, please. Thank you very much. See you next video. Bye bye.